What's up, Jam Fam? Welcome to Jam Factory episode 12. You're here with Jeremy and I, Callie and Zoe. And on today's episode, we're going to give you a quick update on Joe's 1400R build. It's getting ready for TX2K. We got the roll bar done, final prep, get ready for that race. We also have Mopar Stage 2 cam action.
Stage 2!
And our plumbing finally gets redone. So showroom plumbing completely finished, fixed. We got all our water softeners hooked up. Cupp My Plumber's taking good care of us. So make sure to hang out till the end. Make sure to subscribe, share with your friends, and watch all the cool footage.
Good morning, everyone. It's early on Thursday. Callie and I, she's right there somewhere, are going to get started a little early today. I'm unlocking the gate now. We've got TX2K prep in full swing. Trying to get Joe's car's roll bar finished. We got to get some paint on it so we can continue the process. So Callie's going to go out here with me right now. We're going to go have Callie check all of Jack's welds from yesterday, and then we're going to start prepping everything up. All right, we got Joe's roll bar all welded up. Everything's dropped down so we can start masking it off. I know it's kind of dark in here. We just fired the lights up this morning. We'll give you another update on this as soon as we get some paint on it and get it back up into position. What do you think, Callie? Callie, come here. Where are you going? Uh-oh. She's on the smell of something. Callie, come here. Sit. What do you think? What do you think of all this? You want to go to Texas with us? You can't go to Texas with us. I don't think they allow cute golden retrievers at the racetrack. All right. So check back in a few minutes. Jack and I have Joe's roll bar done. Give you guys a quick view of that. We still have to fit the interior stuff back in, but before we do that, you can kind of get a quick little view how everything laid out. It's a little bit dark in here. We still have some cleanup to do, but the rear panels are in. I'm gonna fit in the rear seat delete. Factory seat belts fit. We got the gusseted seat back bar on this one. Joe's a tall guy, so we've got the seat back bar bent back so he can get his factory Recaros back in here and scoot them back all the way. We've got the swing outs installed, and those are form fit into the door really nice. I'm going to shut the door and show you how that lays out, so you can see how nice that fits with the door panel. Then it kicks in just like that. You can see how that one lays out over there. We'll get some more good pictures of this taken once all the interior's back in. But now basically a scramble to get this car final prepped and get ready for Texas next week. Guys, it's an exciting day for us here at the shop. We got some improvements going on. We got our good friend Michael with Cupp My Plumber is in our plumbing room, and he is redoing it. We're getting all new plumbing. It's an absolute disaster in there. I'm going to show you what it looks like real fast. All right, now try not to laugh, but this is what we're working with here. What's up, Michael?
Hey, how are you?
So we've got plumbing from 1964, 1973, 1984. Then someone went crazy and busted a hole in the wall. Got some old stuff back there. What do we got? What's going on here, Michael, besides a wreck?
You said it right. It is.
Yeah, it's just a wreck,
sure.
Right?
So it just looks like it's been pieced together by several different people throughout the years.
Well, I'm not gonna lie. We might have done a few patch jobs just to keep this going as long as we can, so we can continue to buy cool race car tools to build cool race cars. But it's finally just had enough. What year is this water heater from? Do we know?
1995.
95. That's got to be, you know, these old A.O. Smith water heaters that lasted forever. They just don't quite last like that now, do they?
No, not at all.
All right. So what are we doing? So what are we getting ready to do then?
Basically we're going to gut everything and start over. Sort of
Start
like
over
I did with my car.
Yeah, right. Sometimes you just have to cut your ties with stuff and just start from a blank slate, right?
Yeah. So we're going to put a new pressure tank in. We'll have an inline filter to catch the sediment, and then that comes out of the well. Then we'll put a nice 1.5 cube softener in, and then a water heater.
Right on. Yeah, that's good. I should mention that we're on a well. And the sediment is terrible here. We basically ruin toilet valves on a daily basis, it seems. So, and our toilets are completely stained. So this is hopefully going to get rid of that. We'll have some nice clean water and nicer restrooms for our customers.
Yep.
Awesome. Thanks, Michael.
Thank you.
Good luck.
We got Joe's car completely finished with the roll cage, roll bar, I guess it is. Just want to give you some quick shots of it with the interior back in. Of course, it's all black, so it's a little bit hard to see, but we got the swing outs in. They fit real nice, real easy to use. These are a different style swing out than we do on some of the cages. I do like these though, they're nice, and you can just take the bar out real easy if you just want to take the whole bar out. And then it has the same class style down here at the bottom. Yeah, you can see how everything fits in there nice. Seat goes way back in the back, since we got that bar tilted back. Give you a quick look at that too. You can see how kind of can see it, a little dark in there. Trevor has some good pictures up on the website here pretty soon. You can check those out. Scott's 2019 Challenger Scat Pack wide body is all finished. This is our stage 2 package. This car is beautiful. We did a baseline dyno earlier, and now you're going to be seeing the car go on the dyno soon for some power numbers. This car got our full stage 1 and 2 package basically. Got MDS delete. It's an auto, so it has the multi-displacement cylinder setup. It's going on the dyno now. Alright, Jimmy's gonna load it on the dyno. Timmy's pulling off another Scat Pack car. Another 19 with a Edelbrock supercharger kit that we just finished tuning. That made 641. We'll have a dyno video up of that soon. So I talked about it earlier. We showed you a little footage with Cupp My Plumber taking care of our plumbing situation, so I just want to show you the final results of that. Please keep in mind that we still need to do some drywall work in here, but we are very excited about our new water heater. That's a sweet A.O. Smith Pro Line commercial grade. We got a new well pump. We got a big sediment filter. So that guy's going to be keeping us correct, get all that sediment out of our water. A new switch, new valves, all copper plumbing. We got shutoffs everywhere. Don't worry about this stuff. That's all just junk wire hanging out there. We got to clean that up. We got a brand new 1.5 cube water softener in there now. Everything's set up. All this stuff's nice. I mean, this stuff is crazy. Just attached to the wall. Super strong. I think Michael said he got like 10 pounds of sand off our floor. I think it was just a mess in here. This is so much nicer than it was before. So big thanks to Michael and Cupp My Plumber for taking care of us. We take care of his race car for him. So I want to make sure that you guys know he does the kind of quality work that we do on cars, but with plumbing. So just, you know, if you need some plumbing done, make sure to reach out to them, get a quote. If this is the kind of work you want to have done, they will take very good care of you. All right, guys, that wraps up episode 12. Thanks for watching. We truly appreciate you guys checking out what we do every week here at Fathouse Fab and the Jam Factory. Don't forget to like, subscribe, make sure to share it with your friends, and we'll see you next time.